Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BenefitWallet account. To log into your BenefitWallet, you can simply open up a web browser and then in the URL box, type in www.mybenefitwallet.com and press go. Doing so will take you to the official web page of BenefitWallet. From the main homepage, tap on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Now, you'll end up in the login page. If you are a first-time user, tap on the first-time user link at the top. Now, enter your social security number, date of birth, zip code, and tap continue to register yourself first to BenefitWallet. If you've previously registered, you can simply go ahead and enter your user ID inside the user ID text box. If you don't remember your user ID, get help by tapping on Forgot User ID. After you are done entering your credential, click the login button and follow through the prompts in order to log into your BenefitWallet account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not yet, subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these tutorials. Thank you for watching.